word problem of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So here is similarly, here is also word problem. Here is some statement is given, question is given in form of statement, and but only these are the word problem of fraction. Here what the number is there, that are fraction, otherwise everything is same. So to understand the word problem, what we used to do, we used to read it again and again and try to understand it and then plan it. Means doing part we have to do. So we will read it. You read it. Seema 8, 3 by 11 and Aditi 8, 4 by 11 of the sweets. Okay? You understand? Seema 8, 3 by 11 and Aditi 8, 4 by 11 of the sweet. Both are eating the sweet. Okay? How much sweet they eat all together? Now, all together they are asking total sweet eaten by Seema and Aditi both. Okay? So for this means we have to add here, all together means we have to add it here. So first of all, for adding, here I am showing with the help of model also. First we are drawing one model diagram. This is your sweet. This is your total sweet. And 3 by 11 Seema had it in. So means we have to divide this sweet into 11 equal parts. So we are dividing into 11 equal parts. So you can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this sweet we have divided into 11 equal parts. Now it is given that Seema 8, 3 by 11 means 3 parts we will shade here. Seema 8 this much part. Okay. This is only 3 by 11. Now Aditi 8, 4 by 11 means 4 part of 11 equal part. 1, 2, 3 and this is 4. So this is only 4 by 11. Now it is said all together what they have eaten. So all we will count 3 and 4 both. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 means all together they have eaten 7 by 11. Okay? This much only we have to do. So simple. So you write the statement now. our answer. Statement, whatever is given in the question, that only we are writing. Fraction of sweet eaten by Seema, 3 by 11. Fraction of sweet eaten by Aditi, 4 by 11. Now what is asking the question? How altogether what part is eaten? So the fraction of sweet eaten by the Seema and Aditi both, it will be, we have to add it here. Altogether means addition. So 3 by 11 plus 4 by 11. And for adding the fraction, we are only adding the numerator. We are not adding denominator. Denominator we are writing as it is. Okay. So here it is 11. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. That is 7 by 11. Very easy work. So let's start next question. 2 by 5 of a circle is shaded. Okay. What fraction of the circle is not shaded? This is only question that this much part is shaded and this much part is not shaded. So for this, first we will draw the circle. We have to draw the picture in our mind. Okay. For solving the question, first we will draw the circle. This is the full circle. And is given 2 by 5 means we will divide into 5 equal parts. So more or less perfectly I have not drawn, but I have tried to divide into 5 equal parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 equal parts. Okay, assume it. This is the 5 equal parts. Now it is said that 2 part is shaded. Means these 2 parts is shaded, 1 and this is 2. How much is not shaded? By the picture you can say 1, 2, 3. 3 by 5 part is not shaded. If it is given that 2 by 5 is shaded, then how much is not shaded? 3 by 5 is not shaded. Simple. So for this, what we will do? To solve the word problem, we will write the statement. This we have done with the help of model. Now we will do here. Okay. So first of all, part of the circle shaded or fraction of a circle shaded. How much fraction is shaded? 2 by 5. Now here it is fraction of the circle not shaded. Here we have to do subtraction. Okay. We will subtract the shaded part from the whole part. From the whole circle means, from the whole means 1. From the 1 we have to subtract this shaded part, 2 by 5. It's okay. That only we have to do. We can write 1 as a 5 part of 5 equal part. To make it a like fraction, so this 1 we had made 5 by 5. That means 1 only. So, and then minus 2 by 5. 5 minus 2 will be 3 and here it is 5. Only we are subtracting the numerator, denominator we are writing as it is. Here it is 5. Only we will subtract 5 minus 2 and here it is 3. So it is 3 by 5. Very easy. Just now we have discussed one question of addition and one question of subtraction. And this is the next type question. Means here we will have to do addition and then subtraction both. How? Let's see. In a pet shop, 4 by 9 of dogs have black spot on them. Okay? And 2 by 9 are white and the rest are black. what fraction of dog are black? Understood? First of all, there is one pet shop. You see here solution. This is one pet shop and this is the total number of dogs. Okay. We can say total number as a whole. We don't know how much number, but this is the total number of the dog in the pet shop. We have to divide into 9 equal parts. Total number of the dog in the shop, and we have divided this total number into 9 equal parts because it is given fraction 4 by 9 and 2 by 9. In denominator it is written 9, so we have divided into 9 equal parts. Okay. Now it is said that the dog have black spot. How many dogs are having black? These are the dog with black spot on them. How much? 4 by 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. These much dogs are having black spot on them. Okay. Now 2 by 9 are white. So now these two part of the 9 equal part, you can see here. This is the 2 part of 9 equal part. That means it is 2 by 9. These are of white color. Now, what fraction of the dog are black? There are 3 types of dog only. We assume that there are 3 types of dog. One of the dog of having black spot, one category. Second category is the dog of white color, and third category is dog of black color. So, rust is the dog of the black color only. So, how much dog are there which are of black color? You can see here 1, 2, 3. That means our answer is 3 by 9. Now we will solve it. Okay. We will show the solution. First of all, we will write the fraction of dog. These are 4 by 9 are the dog of black spot. Now here it is fraction of dog have of white color. Now first we will add these two fractions to find the dog of black spot and white color. Okay. So here we will add 4 by 9 plus 2 by 9. So first I am finding the dog of black spot and white color. So here we will add an addition, only. Simply we are writing the denominator, only we are adding the numerator. 4 plus 2, what it will be? 6. Okay, this is 6 by 9. Now we have to find the dog which is of black color. If I will subtract this number from the whole, then we can get the number of the dog of black color. So next part we have to do the subtraction. So to find the we will subtract from the whole number. Whole means 1 only. So here it will be 1 minus 6 by 9. It's okay. So the fraction of the dog are of black color is equal to 1 minus 6 by 9. 1 we can write as a 9 by 9 also. Means 9 part of 9 equal part. That is only whole now. Means it is a whole. 9 by 9 means whole. So 9 by 9 minus 6 by 9. And subtraction is very easy. Similarly as addition only. Only we are writing the denominator down. We are not doing anything with the denominator. Only we are subtracting the numerator, upper part of the fraction. So 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So this is 3 by 9. Like this, children, keep on practicing all the word problem of fraction. Thank you. Have a good day.